Thousands of mourners gathered in Tehran as Iran held a major funeral procession for the late Supreme Leader Ayatollah Ali Khamenei, according to Iranian state media. Footage showed Khamenei's flag-draped coffin, along with the coffins of several family members reported killed in the conflict, being carried through the capital on a ceremonial vehicle as crowds lined the streets.
هدف ما از حضور توی این مراسم اول از همه خونخواهی امام شهیدمون. ما برای بدرقه و استقبال نیومدیم. امام ما الان بین ما هست. شهدا زنده.
Aerial images broadcast by Iranian state television showed large numbers of mourners stretching for several kilometers along the procession route. Authorities encouraged a strong public turnout as the country continues a period of national mourning. The funeral comes as Iran is also engaged in diplomatic efforts over a permanent end to the recent conflict.
که می‌خوایم نشون بدیم خونش راهش ادامه داره و همه این مردم تک تک این مردم با مشت گره کرده راهش رو ادامه میدن و انتقامش رو هم به زودی حتما از آمریکا و اسرائیل خواهیم گرفت.
اسرائیل و آمریکا و هر کسی که کوچکترین چشمی به این کشور داره بدانه که ما از بچه تا پیرمرد تا سالمند همه پای این نظام هستیم. نمیتونه نگاه چپ به این کشور بکنه. ما تا پای جانمون تا آخرین قطره خونمون برای این کشور هستیم و میجنگیم و نمیذاریم کوچکترین یک وجب از این خاک کم بشه.
During the procession, some participants were heard chanting anti-US slogans, while others carried banners and portraits of the late leader. The ceremonies are expected to continue as Iran prepares additional memorial events in the coming days.